So you're on your iPad and you'll want to go to the Tello app, which you've downloaded, and click on Tello. It should look like this when you pull it up. And then you'll want to take your drone and you'll turn it on, and it'll be flashing the red, the blue, and the yellow, and the green. And I'm going to connect to the Tello app. And always the first thing you have to do is connect to Wi-Fi and then find Tello in your Wi-Fi and click connect. And you'll notice that once it walks through this here in just a second, it won't be connected. It's an unsecured network and no internet connection, but that's fine. And click out, go back to your Tello app, and notice that now my drone is connected. You can tell by the camera that it's connected. So let's go through some settings. So click on the wheel at the top and go down to more, and then go and click on the three dots. And you'll see if there's a firmware updated here. And what you'll need to do is plug in your drone to your iPad and then update the firmware. So every now and then it's a good idea to check to see if the firmware needs to be updated. I would just connect my drone via the cord that you've been provided and update the firmware here. You can also do a calibration here. So if the drone seems to be off, I can go in here and calibrate center of gravity, or just the status of each side of my drone. So it's a good idea to do that every now and then. And notice that mine currently needs a firmware update. So I could go in and update the firmware, just connect my drone and update that. So that's in the section where we were allowed to go into the settings. Um, these are keeping the drone at a slow speed is always a good idea. Um, I can go into that settings and change measurements, photo quality. I can change the battery warning here as well. And there's a beginner's guide up here that you can click on that'll help walk you through the controls of the drone. And so you can just slide through these and understand that the buttons over here on the left are up and down, flying left and right, turning. And then it talks about the battery, is the Wi-Fi connected, Bluetooth, the speed of the drone, and the height of the drone, where I could change that as well. And then knowing that the far left is takeoff, flight modes, settings, and on the right side is playback of video. The camera shows me I can switch between photo and video, and then the red buttons, just like my phone, where I can take a picture of something with the drone. I tap to enter the flight menu, so I would tap that to enter the flight menu, and I could learn about the different flight modes that are in there. It explains how to uninstall and install the propellers and the propeller guards. Again, a little directions on that. So that's kind of a beginner's guide that's located in there. And if I go back all the way to the beginning, then I would click on this button right here and slide to take off my drone and then fly with my drone. Mine, because I connected to Wi-Fi, then when I connected the Tello drone here, it automatically connects. It's a little different in drone blocks. And so if you want to watch that drone blocks video, it will show you how to do this. But there's how to update the firmware, make changes, and understand how to fly the drone. And all that is located within the Tello app.